I'm a military position who is fighting in Uganda. I'm a freedom fighter who is fighting for freedom in Uganda. But I'm not a terrorist.
For years, northern Uganda has suffered under the terror of Joseph Kony and his brutal Lord's Resistance Army, a militant group responsible for the deaths of over 100,000 people from 1987 to 2012. But after the end of fighting over a decade ago, the people of this region have put tremendous effort into rebuilding their shattered homeland. The results are incredible. In this video, we will take a walk through Gulu, the capital of Uganda's northern region. Our journey starts in Uganda's capital, Kampala, where we find the buses we will take to Gulu. The buses servicing northern Uganda are much older and decrepit compared to those that visit other parts of the country. Okay, the bus is empty, but we were lucky enough to secure front row seats, which will help with filming outside the window. This will be a hard 6-hour journey. By daybreak, we are on our way, and as darkness fades into light, we penetrate deeper into the northern region. The bus makes frequent stops, both to pick up new passengers and allow us to buy refreshments and use the restrooms. While the toilets are clean enough, they are very different from what I'm used to. Funny enough, as you move further into the north, the roads get better, even though this is a much poorer region of the country. Eventually, we arrive at Murchison Falls National Park, home to one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world. Although I am usually not interested in nature tourism, the beauty of this place sends a chill down my spine. Finally, we see the elephant totem, which means we have arrived in Gulu. We start at Gulu's bus park. From here, we'll take a quick walk through the city.
You want to capture that guy?
Yeah.
And don't step in. Yes, studio. Sorry. Steady. Even. Just for a video. Video.
You notice something a little bit strange about that guy on the ground?
Him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't. I just saw his ass was out and you could see everything. But
Testicles.
yeah, and some huge snake just lying down, like resting. Maybe he took some, he got drunk and took at that part of it. Even when they bring the dumpsters, like people still want to drop.
It seems like this path is taking us outside of the city center. Let's get back on track.
So you don't want to see yourself anywhere, and you want us to deal with this.
That's an annoying guy. Right, the last thing I wanted was him to follow us. Because I knew he had some kind of agenda. Some kind of... There's no people on the street. I don't know what I was expecting in Gulu, maybe a refugee camp, but instead I am greeted by a relatively clean and organized city. Take these sidewalks for example. They are much higher quality than what you will see in most parts of Uganda's capital Kampala. In fact, the only part of Kampala that has sidewalks this good is Kololo, which is the richest neighborhood in the city. The roads here in Gulu are also well paved and pothole free. Because at least that way I can explain why we had an interruption in the video.
Yeah, like some guy walks up to us. Alikeri Road. That's some funny names.
Yeah.
I like when people just look at you and they keep quiet, do your stuff and go. When they start talking, confusing.
Just 10 years ago, this place was terrorized by Joseph Kony. Rebels would come in from the surrounding villages to murder people at random for no particular reason. But now, the residents of Gulu have completely put the past behind them.
Just up the roads are organized.
Yeah.
Gulu has one problem. They don't have a lot of tall buildings. Yeah. The town doesn't have a lot of
But it doesn't seem so busy though. Like, you see all these shops, but there's not many, like, people. Like, compared to...
Barara?
Yeah, especially in Barara.
Barara was so busy, right?
Yeah.
I believe it always has its time when it's busy, that's for sure. Maybe the day I came, I was just lucky that that time when we came, it was so busy.
Well, anyway, since we'll spend another day here, maybe we can get another
Look at the woman
shot
riding
tomorrow.
again.
That's not a
What's the
motorcycle.
second one?
But
What's that?
that's a scooter, isn't
Oh
it?
my god, that it has the clutch and the what?
Really?
Yeah. It does have the, is it 4 gear? What?
Oh.
Queens Avenue.
Wow, it's very pretty.
Yeah?
The city is very pretty.
Yeah, the city is so, you can't even believe. They have some buildings in the background, the Gulu University, the Bank of Uganda.
So that building with the green roof is Gulu University?
I've never gone to that, but probably. Because it's the one that's...
To be honest, this city is every bit as clean and organized as Kigali, Rwanda, despite not getting as much attention. You can see, today the sky is a little bit cloudy. A little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so...
I think tomorrow we can redo this, and to make it more organized, we just go from the bus stop and go straight down
very
this way.
good. Yeah. That's what I thought we were going to do. Like, just move, start with a busy street then.
Yeah, the crazy guy distracted me.
Yeah, and you ended up seeing dirty, hairy ass, man.
More than just that.
Really?
Yeah.
Man.
Place is not too busy though. It seems like, you know, I would think this is a Sunday, the way.
Today is what? Today is a Thursday. We'll move like this and then try to move up.
Yeah. Because one problem I had in the what's it? The Entebbe video is just moving kind of randomly, retracing, going back.
Oh.
Yeah. So when I redo this one, I
We have
think
to be organized.
exactly just straight.
Just move straight. When you decide to branch, you go straight.
Exactly. Gulu is mainly home to the Acholi people, a Nilotic ethnic group that is native to the northern part of Uganda. They are closely related to the Luo people of Kenya. Compared to other parts of Uganda, the people of the north are exceptionally welcoming and hospitable. When you walk around with a camera, you really get a sense of the vibe of a society. Here, it is nothing but warmth. And when the people know you are foreign, they try very hard to make you feel at home. And it's in a genuine way, unlike Kampala, where respect is based on your skin color or pocketbook. Okay, so is there any activities that we can do here and film? So maybe
the nightlife?
Yeah.
Gulu town, I don't know a lot of activities unless I inquire and know more about it. Like, what were you having in mind? Like, what kind of activities were you having in mind?
I don't know, like this something. Oh.
Yeah? So this route takes us back to the busy one. You take this?
Yeah. Okay, there. Is there anything on this side?
This side goes through, then take us to that. You know that the walkway is well organized, yeah? Better than even Kampala.
Yeah. So here are the hotels.
Yeah, Hotel Kakanyero.
Man, these streets are so clean.
So clean, yeah.
I feel guilty spitting my gum out.
And the problem with it is that they don't even have the...
Bins.
Yeah, they had that at that place where we saw, and it was just a mess.
Okay, so where do you think we should go first?
I was thinking maybe BJ's, you know.
BJ's.
Yeah, BJ's, check it out, and then maybe we can go to the rest.
Okay.
First one?
Yeah. Do we need a boda for that?
Yeah, we really need a photo for that.
All right. In Gulu, most of the nightclubs are located far outside the city center in semi-rural areas. A decade ago, these places would have been Joseph Kony's stomping grounds. But now, the city is so safe that people move around deep into the night with no fear. The top club is a spot called BJ's. It is popular with students and foreign NGO workers from Europe and the United States. The people of Gulu are addicted to pork, and BJ's serves the best in the city. It is unbelievably good. They're serious about pork here.
Yeah.
Like, I think in Kampala this would have been beef.
Yeah.
The women of Gulu are just as hospitable as the men. I met a young lady who showed me around all the hottest spots in the area, including Covenant, where we enjoyed shisha, and Baganda Pub, where they played live music and performances. It's getting late and it's time for us to return to Kampala, so we say goodbye to our friends and charter a private car to take us back to the city. If you want to walk through more Ugandan cities, check out my Mbarara video to the right of your screen or Jinja to the left. And I'll see you in the next video.